sweet chili sauce.
Can you smell what the Todd is cooking?
Woo! Whoa! Whoa!
Us rednecks love chicken wings!
Somebody say chicken wings?
Blackstone Griddle on high. I can't possibly be sweating anymore. Why do I have my head up against a 600-degree griddle? We haven't even started cooking yet, and I am literally dripping wet. I mean, literally dripping wet. So I promise I'll wash my hands before we start cooking. Corn, 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 corn.
Fried bacon goes with everything. Nothing is wrong with bacon.
I'm agreeing. Never had this before. It's pretty good. Sir? I'm from Texas. This is the best fried corn I ever ate in my life.
Wow.
This is where I started off with the tailgater. And I saw really quickly that it wasn't going to be big enough. Nowhere near big enough. So I got the 36-inch, and now I've done hash browns. I've done salmon.
You don't hear the sonic booms as much as you used to years ago. You'd be out in the middle of nowhere and a sonic boom go off and you think the world was falling.
Got a question here. Somebody's asking when you're coming to Kansas City.
Good.
And of course, if you don't like this, my name's Bob. We'll sear on that chicken sandra. You see that? Look at that. All right, folks, we got pineapple, fresh pineapple coming in next. Look at that, straight on the griddle. Fresh pineapple? Have I lost my mind? Sure enough.
Awesome cook. Awesome cook. Make America griddle again.
Let's give it a try.
We're in Gainesville.
We're in Gainesville, and I'm with a Tim and who's Tim?
I'm Tim.
And that must be Tom.
Yep.
And I'm Todd. We're Triple T. Here we are. Look at this. The Blue Ridge Mountains. So we're here in Albuquerque setting up the griddle. This guy, total stranger, walks up and says, I watch your videos on YouTube and I love Blackstone Griddles. His name is Mark. He's a DJ, no joke, he's a disc jockey. He goes and picks up his equipment.
Blackstone Griddles. I have one. My family loves cooking on it.
Hey everybody, here we are in Oakwood, Georgia. Say hi.
Eric and Jamie Deach.
From?
Mount Perry, Ohio.
My goodness, and you drove how far?
300 miles. 300 miles.
300 miles. Of lightning, flooding, they're even calling for possibility of tornadoes in some areas.
Thank you for putting me on, Todd. It's good to see you and meet you.
Hey everybody, here we are in Bristol, Virginia. Look at this giant aisle of griddles. I'm Guy Fieri, and we're rolling out in search of America's favorite diners, drive-ins, and dives. Sandra came here and she blessed me. She works at Colton Steakhouse. Look at this guy, give him applause. Who knows what you're gonna get? Look at this, boy. Oh my goodness. So we have here, this is a Portillo's chocolate cake. Lance just gave me a Cheerwine diet. Oh, so good.
Guys, it's good groceries, I'm gonna tell you that.
Toast.
Let's give it a try.
I ain't hearing nuts, not even even a little. No 25 ribeyes on my Blackstone Griddle.
So Wendy and Tim here just told me that they follow this band called
Moonshine Bandits.
Moonshine Bandits, and they've got a song called
Ain't hearing nothing.
Ain't Hearing Nothing.
Hard to see second place when you're first in line. I ain't hearing nothing, not even a little. No 25 ribeyes on my Blackstone Griddle.
25 ribeyes on my Blackstone Griddle.
It's the barbecue bus, everybody!
Hey Todd, welcome to the barbecue.
Oh, the barbecue bus!
Way to go, brother. All right.
Yeah! One for you. One for you. One for you.
That's my ticket for your show.
The Griddle Show?
Been waiting for you. Yeah.
So hot out here in the swamp. If you want to, you can use your basting cover and a little bit of water to create some steam and bring those up to temperature inside.
Just like trapping a skunk. Turn that griddle down and it'll be cooler.
Have you ever seen a food truck on top of a Blackstone Griddle? We are here in the jungles of South America eating bacon fried corn. Look who I just stumbled upon.
Take a look at that. The other thing I love it is when you go, let's give it a try.
Let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. So quesadilla is one of my favorite things to make. And look at this, I just cracked 24 eggs really quick. So you can crack them, but obviously if you're here in a Walmart parking lot, egg beaters is the way to go. 24 eggs, and look how quick that was. Quesadilla CPR, have you ever done that yet? So, you know, because you got to flatten out a little bit, so I'll kind of lock in and go do compressions. You ever do that? Have you done compressions on you? Are you okay? Call for help, Wendy. Sing a song? Yes.
Stay alive.
Stay alive, stay alive. Stay alive, stay alive.
Right?
My shot here.
Ooh, my, they're getting toasted to perfection. Just the way LA. Here comes the griddle, all nice and seasoned. That looked good. The man with the epic beard has to get 2 17 inches and 2 Blackstone cutting boards. Well, yeah. Tell me your story. Why'd you do it?
Because I could.
Since we're at Walmart looking to save time, you can pick these Tyson grilled and ready, oven roasted, diced chicken breast, ready to go. If your job is slinging hash in a Walmart parking lot, you might be a redneck, right? And if you drive to visit a guy who's slinging hash in a Walmart parking lot,
You might be a redneck.
you might be a redneck. Oh, it's getting hot over here. And this lady was walking by, and I said, hey ma'am, if you will come over and talk with me, I'll cook you a New York strip steak. No joke. This lady looked at me and she goes, we don't eat steak, we eat hot dog. All right, we're fixing to make some bacon fried corn. Are you in the mood for bacon fried corn?
There is a very specific reason I do not eat the corn.
And with that, this demo is over. All right, everybody, we're saying goodbye from Lexington, Kentucky. Man, I'll tell you what the fun is. I'll leave that in there. Hold on.
Go home, leave this move.
All right, I've been asked to leave town.